Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. Confirm server name, port, database, and a SQL account with appropriate rights. Once done, enable TCP/IP in SQL Server Configuration Manager and restart the service so Power Apps can connect. Make sure to choose the right connection type, Azure SQL versus on-premises, and install or register a gateway when the database is not in Azure. You'll see why this matters. Power Apps needs reachable endpoints and valid credentials before you create any data connection. You next open Power App Studio and add a new SQL Server connection under Data Connections. Input the server and database names, pick authentication, SQL Server Auth or Azure AD, then provide credentials. Once you've entered details, toggle encryption based on server setup and select the registered on-premises gateway if required. After that, press Test Connection. Make sure it succeeds before building apps. This step links Power Apps to your tables and explains why correct auth and gateway choice prevent later access. You finish by adding the connected SQL tables into your app from the data pane, then bind them to galleries, forms, or controls. Once bound, implement actions with patch, collect, and filter. Remember to consider delegation limits and use indexed columns for large datasets. If something breaks, check firewall rules, gateway status, and logs, and verify the SQL login and authentication method. Make sure ports and encryption match server settings. This one troubleshooting tip usually resolves most failed connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.